Hi, let's learn compound interest. So we have already learned simple interest. So in simple interest, interest is not paid on interest. But in compound interest, interest is also paid on interest. So the compounding can be annually or semi-annually or half-yearly or quarterly. So let's first understand what is the annual compounding, and in the next video I'll cover how the compounding is done semi-annually or quarterly. So first, annual compounding or annually compounding. So let's understand with the help of one example. So here the principal is 5,000 rupees, interest is at the rate of 10% and time is 2 years. So let's calculate interest for first year. So first year compound interest will be same as simple interest because the compounding is annual compounding. So we'll calculate interest for first year by multiplying principal with the rate of interest and then years. We can ignore the time because it's only 1 year. So 5,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 is 500 rupees. So the change happens from the second year, because from the second year, as the compounding is annually, so from the second year we'll have to pay interest on interest. So principal for next year will become 5,000 plus 500 because we'll have to pay interest on 500 as well. So total amount on which we'll have to pay interest is 5,500. So new principal will be 5,500. So if we calculate interest for second year, we'll calculate interest on 5,500. So interest rate will remain the same, which is 10%. So interest on 5,500 at the rate of 10% will be 5,500 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. So it will be 550. So total interest now will become 500 plus 550, which is 1,050. And the amount which will have to pay back to bank will after 2 years will be 5,000, which is the principal amount, plus total interest of first year and second year, which is 1,050, which total will be 6,050. So amount will be 6,050. 5,000 principal, 1,050 is interest, which is comprises first year interest 500 rupees and second year interest 550 rupees. So actually there is no need to calculate interest for each year separately. We can use the formula and then we can calculate the total amount at the end of the total period. So we can learn the formula to calculate amount and interest. So the formula to calculate amount at the end of n period will be principal multiplied by bracket start 1 plus r divided by 100. R is the rate of interest, and then raised to power n. N is the years here because the compounding is annually. So will here n will be the years. So if we calculate using the variable from the last example, so we know 5,000 was the principal, then we'll put the rate of interest, which was 10 divided by 100. 1 will keep at it, and then we'll put the value of n, which is 2 years. So if we solve it, 5,000 multiplied by will reduce 1 0 with 1 0, then remaining is 1 by 10. We'll take the LCM 10. This will become 1 will become 10, and then 1 will remain as 1. So 10 plus 1 divided by 10 raised to the power 2. Then 5,000 multiplied by 11. 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 10 raised to the power 2. And if we take the square of 11 and take the square of 10, we'll get 121. 11 square is 121 and 10 square is 100. Then we reduce 20 with 20 of 5,000. Remaining number is 50. If we multiply 50 with 121, we'll get 6,050. So let me recapitulate. So we know principal is 5,000 then we put the value of r, which is 10, then we reduce 1 0 with 1 0, then it become 1 by 10. Then we'll take the LCM, which is 10 plus 1, it will become 11 by 10 square. Then we put the value of 11 square and 10 square, which is 121 divided by 100. We reduce 2 0 of 100 from the 5000. 5000 will become 50. Then if we multiply 50 with 121, it will be 6050. So amount is same as we have calculated by calculating interest for each years. Then this if we'll have to find the total interest, so interest will be amount minus principal, which is 6050 is the amount which we calculate using this formula, and then the principal we know is 5000 rupees. So 6050 minus 5000 rupees is equal to 1050 rupees is the amount of interest. So these two formulas we'll have to learn by heart so that we can calculate the compound interest with the help of these formula and can avoid the lengthy calculation as we have seen in the previous example.